What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to buy with NovaBot. To do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. In case you guys haven't started using NovaBot, I'll provide a link in the description. You guys can go and access this bot from there. Well, hit the start button and you will see these options popping up right here. Now above is your wallet's address. You can create a new wallet or import an existing one. Well, this is the new wallet that I just created. So this is my NovaBot's wallet address. What I can do is go to my Solana wallets, for example, Phantom, log into my Phantom wallet, and once logged in, let me just log in. I'll just copy this address and I'll go and select this send option right here, put in that address, and I can simply deposit Solana in this address. And once done with that, click on this buy option in order to buy a token, and it will ask you to paste a token's address. For that, I can head over to SoulScan, copy this address of a random coin, for example this official Trump coin. So I'll just go and paste it right here. Once pasted, it will show you these options, and it will show you some of the information about the coin, its current market cap, its liquidity, and below are these options that you can use. And there are tons of options: multi-buy, limit order, sniper, your current active wallet, and some buying presets. And what you can do is simply click on these presets and it will quickly buy for you. You can set up the slippage amount as well, and you can use this XSOL option in order to buy according to your own specific preference. For example, I can type in 0.03 and it will buy this coin for 0.03 sold. Here it will check your current balance, and if it's sufficient it will go and quickly buy that coin for you. And it's really useful to buy quickly. And you can also go and change your slippage amount. For example, I'll just type in 10 and it will quickly change that amount to 10% according to your preference. And once we're done with that, what you can do is head over to your Google Chrome and you can add NovaBot extension to your Google Chrome. Once added, you can quickly use it using your while accessing bullets. So this extension is really useful for you. Well, that's how you can start using NovaBot. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.